Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluestacks. You are offline, please check your internet connection and try again error. So how to do this, let's get started. First, make sure your home router is not powered off. Just if it is, just reset it or restart it, up to you. Then go over to network and internet. Here make sure you're not using any VPN or proxy. If it is enabled, so just disable it or turn this off. Then what you have to do is right click on Bluestacks, open it as administrator. Lots of times it solves your problem by running it as administrator. After that, what you need to do is open your Windows security and then go over to firewall and network protection and then click on restore firewalls to default. Click on restore default and then click on yes. Hopefully your problem solves, and if your problem still occurs, so make sure to comment down below so we can bring a detailed guide on this video. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. I really hope this video helped you solve your problem or learn something new about your PC. My goal on this channel is to make everything about computers simple and easy, whether it's fixing errors, downloading software or any game, boosting performance of any Windows or any game, or understanding new tools. If this video was helpful in any way, don't forget to hit the like button because it really motivates me to keep bringing you more useful content. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future tutorials, tips, and PC fixes. Also, if you're facing any issues or have any questions related to computers, Windows, software, or anything technical, drop them in the comments. I read all of your comments and I'll try my best to help you out. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of your system, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.